Hello student. Today I am going to explain about the Python revision tour, and this unit contains 12 marks for board exam. So without any delay I am going to just start this topics very fastly. I want to complete it within a short interval of time. So Python is widely used high level programming language. It is already all you know. It is developed by 1991 Guido van Rossum, and the next topic is token. Token, there are 5 types of tokens. Keyword, it is a reserved word that conveys special meaning. Identifier, it is called as a variable name, and there are some certain rules for writing the correct variable name. Okay. Literal means value. There are 5 types of literal: string literal, numeric literal, complex literal, and boolean literal. Complex literal written as a real and imaginary part in the form combination of real and imaginary part. Operator, there are different types of operators. Arithmetic operator, bitwise operator, it is not a part of the syllabus. Identity operator is not. Relational operator, greater than equal to, less than equal to, logical, and or not. Assignment is equal to, membership, in, not in. Okay. Arithmetic assignment, all you already I have explained. The important thing is precedence of arithmetic operator. By in solving any mathematical expression, you have to follow some PEMDAS. It is a very shortcut name for solving any particular expression in Python. P stands for parenthesis, and E stands for exponential, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division, and A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Data types, it means to identify the type of data. Numbers, it is numbers, it may contain integer, boolean, floating point, complex, it is a string. It is a group of characters is called as strings, and see here, school is written here. The 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are called as positive index, and in from the reverse side, -1, -2, -3, it is a negative index. List, it is a sequence type of data. It is a mutable means we can change its contents. Okay. Same type, we can write index value 0, 1, 2, 3. Tuple, it is an immutable type of data type. Immutable means it is not, we can't update any particular piece of data. Next, dictionary, it is a key value pair. Okay. So empty dictionary can be written as DICT, and it is a key value pair, means 1, 1, 2, 2. It is a 1 Monday, 1 Tuesday, 2 Wednesday, 3, colon, and one element is separated through key, colon, value, comma, second element, key, colon, value. String processing and other functions. Whenever you will multiply any number with a string, it acts as an replication operator. It replicate number of times that you have specified it. Similarly, like that in list, we can also multiply. Whenever you will multiply with 5, it will repeat 5 times. Similarly, like in tuples, whenever you will use multiplication, any replication operator, it will repeat multiple of times. String slicing, this is very important topics. All students go through it, and MCQ questions generally comes from the string slicing, and it comes 2 marks in board exam. So backward indexing, forward indexing, so you can do it. So there are different options in this video given. 2:6 including 2, excluding 6. It extract particular specified number of words. S: 2, it means 2 acts as a common difference starting from 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Similarly, like that, after extracting, it will display KNRY. S -1, it will print only last letter. Other functions, length, string functions, length, is title, this function. Okay. Is title. L strips, it removes leading spaces. R strip, it removes right hand spaces. Count word, it counts total number of words. String See here some examples. Creating a list, L is equal to this one is empty list, L is equal to list, it is a list functions. So st is equal to hello, L1 is equal to list st. So from a string it separate character by character and it forms a list. Similarly, like we can traverse a list by using two method, by using in operator and by using range method. So for I in range 5, n is equal to int input enter a number L dot append n, we can add new number 5 new integer to the list L. Traversing a list means होता है accessing each element. Okay, traversing a list, joining a list, we can join two lists at a time. Slicing the list, I have already explained. And the next topic is appending element. By using the append method we can append a new element in the list. Expanding list, by using extend method we can add a new list. See here the output, go in this video. We'll extend L is equal to 10 11 12, L dot extend 44 comma 55. So it will be extended as 10 11 12 44 55. Okay, suppose we want to change 11 to 50, so we can L1 is equal to 50. As it is mutable, we can update it, we can delete any particular element. L is equal to x for x in range 1 comma 11. It will display list in the form of starting from value 1 to 10. So other functions, len, pop, insert. Thank you for visiting our channel CSIP Academy. Thanks a lot, and like, comment and subscribe for new updation in the